We are live. Okay. Welcome in. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Happy Monday, y'all. Happy Monday.
If there was anything I could tell you to do today, it would be
Welcome in. Welcome in. Caring for self. Yeah. All right. All right. Okay, welcome in, you guys. Welcome in. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Budget. This is Budget Mondays. We're going to talk about the budget. Welcome in. Welcome in. Truly appreciate everyone for being here. If you guys could grab your daily heart and tap out the screen, share it out. We are going to be talking about 5 sneaky bills, right? We're going to talk about, is your January budget ready for these 5 sneaky bills? Okay. So listen, you guys, but it's about to be January before you know it. Okay. So we want to talk about these 5 sneaky bills that come up usually in the beginning of the year that I want you guys to be prepared for your January budget. Okay. So truly appreciate everyone for being here. Make sure you grab your daily heart me. Thank you so much for being here. And if you could share out the live, it would be greatly appreciated. I'm just sharing out the live. Welcome in, welcome in. I'm just sharing out the live, you guys. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Welcome in, welcome in. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm just sharing it out. Sorry. January. Oh, we gotta write this out. Oh man. All right. All right. I'm saying happy Sunday. Happy Monday. Put in the chat, you guys, how you are doing. Welcome in. Welcome in. Hi, dark red wood tree. Welcome in. Welcome in. Let me know how you guys are doing. Welcome in. Truly appreciate everyone for being here. My day was horrible. Friend, why was your day horrible? Hey, friend. Hey, friend. What's going on? Why was your day horrible? I'm sorry to hear that. I don't want it to be horrible. Oh, sorry, you guys. Thank you so much for grabbing your daily heart me. Sorry, I'm sharing out the live, you guys. It has to be a better way. Better way to share this live out. Nicole, welcome in, friend. Welcome in, Miss Leslie. Welcome in. Hey, you guys. Sorry, I'm just sharing out the live. Again, you guys, I feel like it needs to be a better way to share this live out. Oh man, I wish it was a better way, y'all. It needs to be a better way. But welcome in, welcome in. Let me know how your Monday evening is going. If you guys could also share out the live. Hey Jeannie, hey Miss Leslie, hey, welcome in. Hello, hello, hello. Appreciate you for being here. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. Thank you so much for grabbing your daily heart me. Nika Grace, welcome in. So what's the video going to be about? Okay, sorry you guys. I was just sharing off the live. All right. I wish it was a better way to share out the live, you guys, but it's not. So welcome in, welcome in. Thank you so much for the popular Nika Grace. Welcome in, you guys. So happy Monday. We are going to talk about the budgets today. 5, is your January budget ready for these 5 sneaky bills? We are going to talk about it, okay? I wish there was 2. I know, right? You like type in a message so you can tell people like kind of what the live will be about. And it's just like with me doing co-stream and I'm only using one of my arms and I'm trying to type in a message with one hand. Thank you so much, Ms. Leslie, for grabbing your daily heart. It should be a better way for us to share it out, y'all. It should be. I think I said I'm going to take some time to like create groups so I'm not sending it to the same people over and over again. But yeah, that just takes some time. But welcome in, you guys. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Let me know how your Monday is going. Make sure you got your pen and paper, you guys. Okay. Tonight we are going to talk about it. Is your January budget ready for these 5 sneaky bills? It was bad because I kept, thank you so much, Nika Grace, for the hand hearts, friend. Thank you so much for being a title gifter. It was bad because I kept getting messed up with my teacher and with her. Oh, you shouldn't have been on TikTok, friend, in school. Thank you so much, Nika Grace. Oh, thank you so much, Zezzy, for the roses. You leveled up in the fan club, friend. Level 18. Whoa, level 18. Nika Grace, thank you so much, friend, for leveling up in the fan club. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm like reading the messages over here. It was at the end of the day. Oh, friend. Thank you so much for liking out the live. Again, I truly appreciate everyone for being here. Welcome in. Happy Monday. We're going to talk about the budgets tonight, you guys. Is your January budget ready for these 5 sneaky bills? Make sure you got your pen and paper. Okay. Because these 5 bills, you guys, is something that I feel like we forget about. And then when January hit and then we're like, oh my God, we're not prepared. So I want you to be prepared, you guys. December is almost over. It's 2 more weeks, y'all. Pedro, welcome in, welcome in. 2 more weeks. Can y'all believe Christmas is next week? I just can't believe it. Like, Christmas is next week, y'all. Christmas is next week. Put it in the chat if y'all ready for Christmas. Because I'm not. Your girl still, I did decorate my tree though. I got the tree up. Did I go Christmas shopping? No, I didn't. So we working on it. We working on it. Put it in the chat, you guys, if you are ready for Christmas. If you're ready for Christmas, if you like Jean, yes. Put it yes if you're ready. No if you're not. I'm about nope. Listen, Nika Grace B2 for and you like no, Janine, I'm not ready. Listen, I'm not ready either. I just barely got the tree up, y'all. I just barely got the tree up. Yeah, I know you ready for it because you ready to get a break from school. Nope, Courtney, you said no, friend. Listen, I'm glad that I'm not alone. I'm not ready either. I just started shopping. Tree isn't up. Exactly. Look, nope. I'm so Nika Grace, I'm the opposite. I got the tree up, then start shopping. So are we? So we will give you all. We gonna give ourselves grace, you guys. Okay, because I'm not like I just started. I didn't even stop yet, but I put the tree up. So we doing some things. But it's next week, y'all. Next week it will be Christmas. So we need to be thinking about the January budget. It's okay if we don't have, our budget, our January budget yet, but we're gonna work on it definitely for sure. So today's budget Mondays, okay? So that's what we're gonna talk about. But make sure you got your pen and paper. 5 things, you guys, 5 things. These are like sneaky bills that I was like, oh, when I was going over this, I was like, this is so important. Courtney, welcome in, friend. If you can grab your daily heart me, that would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for being here. So in one word, you guys, how does January feel for your budget? In one word, if you could put one word in the chat. I'm praying twerk. Oh, welcome in. One word, how does January feel for your budget? One word. I'm trying to think about how does your January budget feel? If you could put one word in the chat, if we are thinking about our January budget, does it feel stressed? Does it feel overwhelming? Did you kind of overspend? I know a lot of people yesterday were saying that is saying that you are on TikTok. Really? It's saying that you are not live on TikTok. I don't know why I'm saying that. It should say that I am. Just my birthday. Oh yeah, your birthday. Yes, yep. That is an exciting month. One word in the chat how your January budget feels. You probably like, I don't know how the January budget feel because I ain't doing it. Did you guys even think or look about the January budget? Or you like, girl, I don't even know. I don't even know how it feels because I didn't even do the budget. Let me know. Did you do the budget for January? Money, discipline. My birthday's in January too. Oh, Miss Leslie, your birthday's in January. That is so exciting. Yes. I love that. Hello, Rose. Hey, Rose. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. Truly appreciate you for being here. My birthday is the 2nd. Yes. So we got a lot of January birthdays that we definitely have to celebrate. Yes. I love that for you guys. You know, your girl's birthday is in March, y'all. So it's like after January, February, my birthday is in March. So hopefully, Melissa, welcome in, welcome in. Hopefully, I'll do a birthday live. But yes, we definitely want to celebrate all the January birthdays. Yes, so discipline. Okay, I feel like my January budget, December stretched your girl. Okay, I'm not even gonna lie. December stretched your girl. So I feel like my January budget will be feeling a little bit more open. Okay, my January budget is feeling open. Chicken lover, welcome in, welcome in. So drop an emoji in the chat if you've ever had a bill surprise you in January. So y'all, drop an emoji in the chat if you've ever had a bill surprise you in January. When I tell you absolutely yes, I've had a couple surprise bills. Hello everyone. Hey, Diva Ruth, welcome in, welcome in. Welcome in, Court. Yes, Court. I'm the same way. I'm like, man, these January bills, y'all, man. Definitely. How are you? I am great. How are you? Thank you so much for being here. Happy Monday. Thank you so much for grabbing your daily heart me. Truly appreciate it. Yes. Definitely put it in the chat, you guys, if you have had surprise bills in January. January is just like, it is a lot of things that I feel like we forget about, so I'm definitely going to talk about it tonight so that we can be a little bit more prepared for January. Thank you so much for sharing out the live, friend. Truly appreciate it. Definitely we're going to be a little bit more prepared for January, you guys. So put a white heart in the chat if you are here for clarity. You like, Janine, I need to be clear about my budget. So put some hearts in the chat. We also can be using the budget with faith stickers if you guys could use that as well. But put a heart in the chat if you're like, I'm here for clarity. We need to get clear about the budget on January. We need to get clear about the budget on January. And for all the new people that are here, thank you so much, for Leslie, for the white hearts. Yes. For all the new people that are here, my name is Janine. I talk about all things personal finances with God in the center. I am a financial coach and I help moms get on a budget, save money, and get out of debt. So we talk about budgets on Mondays, saving different ways to save money on Wednesdays, and Fridays we talk about debt-free strategies. I got a flash goal already, y'all. Here we go with the shenanigans. I don't know, for some reason I feel like TT is it's like slow. I don't know what is it doing. Flash goal. This thing is so slow. What is the flash goal? Thank you so much for the tiny dinies, the Christmas dinies. Thank you so much. Bee's Journey, welcome in, friend. Welcome in. I don't even know what the flash goal is. I feel like my what's the name is being delayed. Bee's Journey, welcome in. Dang, this thing is like delayed, you guys. I don't even know what the flash goal is. Let me know if you guys seen the flash goal go across the screen, because I didn't even see it. I don't even know what it is, the flash goal. What is it? Yeah, I don't know what this is doing. Either way, I don't know what it's doing, guys. Thank you so much for the tiny dinies, though. I didn't see the flash go. Exactly. I was about to say, it's on here and it showed me, but there you go. Flash goal. Okay. 11 gifters. Oh, for the TikTok, it's slow. Okay, let me see. I'm seeing it's saying start. I don't know why I feel like this thing is deleted. She's out. This thing is like delayed. This is weird. Oh man. Okay. Thank you so much for grabbing your daily heart, me. And oh man, you guys. Okay. Happy Monday, Miss Rosa. Welcome in, friend. Welcome in. Yeah, I don't know what this is doing. It's like I feel like TT is being delayed right now, you guys. So we're not even gonna focus on this. So yeah, put some white heart in the chat, you guys. If you need clarity in reference to your budget, that's what we're gonna talk about tonight. So put some white heart. Again, is your January budget ready for these 5 sneaky bills? Okay. We want to be prepared for January as much as we can. Trisha T, welcome in, friend. Welcome in. Thank you so much for grabbing your daily heart. Me truly appreciate it. You guys came at the right time. Hey, friend. Hey, friend. Welcome in. Welcome in. Truly appreciate it. So we are put some pink hearts in the chat if you are choosing peace over panic tonight when it comes down to your budget. We're going to choose peace over panic. Welcome in, Nurse Babe for Life. Welcome in. Moto, my friend, welcome in, friend. Welcome in. Thank you so much for grabbing your daily heart, me friend. Welcome in. Yes, pink hearts. Yes, we choosing peace over panic when it comes to our budget, y'all. Yes, thank you so much. Pink Panther Digital, welcome in. Thank you so much for the follow. Hey, friend. Hey, friend, welcome in. Thank you so much for being the title gifter. Trisha T with the roses. Welcome in, you guys. Truly appreciate you guys for being here. So we are going to talk about it tonight. Thank you so much for being the title gifter of the Finger Hearts. Most Moto, my friend. Welcome in. I did have a flash goal, you guys, but I don't even know what it's doing. Thank you so much for the donuts. Sunshine Ray, welcome in. All right, so make sure Pink Panther Digital. Okay, friend, welcome in. I'm glad. Listen, make sure you have your pen and paper. Thank you so much. Y'all lighten up the gift gallery. Thank you so much. It's Gift Gallery Monday. Thank y'all. Thank y'all so much. Truly appreciate it. But make sure you guys have your pen and paper because we're going to talk about these 5 sneaky budget. I said 5 sneaky. 5 is your January budget ready for these 5 sneaky bills, right? So I want you guys to make sure that you are prepared as much as we can going into January 2026, you guys, with your budgets, with your finances. We want to make sure that we start the year off strong. Thank you so much for the populars. Truly appreciate it. So one of the things, you guys, that bill number 1, okay, that are sneaky bills, definitely for sure, that usually pops up or takes effect in January. So bill number 1 for all my people that own homes, usually I feel like majority of the time, 90%, and we have the mortgage guru on here tonight that definitely can back me up when I say this. Usually mortgage payments, right, do a after year-end analysis. We just want to make sure you understand how much you add value to all of us. Oh, thank you so much, friend. Thank you so much. So usually at the end of the year, you guys, if you are a homeowner on here, knowing that usually they usually do a year analysis on your mortgage, right? You guys, welcome in. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the follow. They usually do a year analysis on your mortgage. And with that year analysis, it's your escrow, right? Looking at your escrow, looking at the taxes on your home, looking at the county taxes. So usually during this time, because I want to tell y'all, they just did a mortgage analysis on my house and they sent it to me in November. But last year they did a mortgage analysis on my house and my mortgage went up $200, y'all. Yeah. We're Coach Jennifer. Welcome in. So all my homeowners, I want you to make sure that you are looking at, where's my sound effects? Look, sorry, y'all. Okay. I'm trying to use the sound effects. Okay. So all of my mortgage owners, okay, I want you to be looking for your year-end analysis. And again, they are, girl, that is why I pay extra into escrow every month. Yes. So one of the things, you guys, that, all of my homeowners, they are looking at, so the taxes for 2026, they're looking at, that's what the mortgage is looking at, your county taxes, all of this. Please don't talk about that. I don't even want to think about it. Listen, Trisha T, I got to, friend, because if you're like me, listen, last year, you guys, I got a mortgage analysis for my mortgage and it went up $200 because they always find a way to increase that mortgage. I know. Diva Roof, welcome in, welcome in. Thank you so much for your daily heart. Don't be like your girl, okay? Make sure y'all taking your pen and your papers. Don't be like your girl, Coach Jennifer. Oh, you level up, friend, at level 11. Thank you so much. Listen, I'm telling y'all, all of the homeowners. Again, my mortgage tried to go up. Okay, $200, $200 last year, and here's one of the reasons why. Because my homeowner's insurance, the premium went up. Now, again, let me tell you guys, I was being loyal to having my homeowner's insurance and my car insurance. Thank you so much for the tiny dinies together, thinking that I'm getting a bundled deal, you guys, right? And I was like, and again, this is something that I want you guys to be thinking about when you're getting a home and you're thinking about the homeowner's insurance. I'm like, oh, I'm getting the bundle deal. I didn't shop around. I didn't do none of that. Sometimes they need to get a divorce. I know. Listen, this is what I realized, y'all. When I first, I've been in this house 3 years, and I'm just like, okay, I'm just gonna go with the same homeowners insurance with the because the marriage that's not always what's up. I know, yo, like, it's so true. And again, like, I'm like, oh, okay, like, I remember calling my mortgage company, like, why is the mortgage going up $200? And they like, your insurance premium went up. And I'm like, what? The insurance premium went up. So one of the things that I want you guys to think about that was so important that I have to do, and I think I talked about it on the live yesterday, make sure that you guys are getting an insurance broker and not an insurance agent. You need somebody that's going to be shopping around for homeowners insurance for you. Okay. Not the agent from like the Progressive or I had like an insurance agent that was through Liberty Mutual. That's the company that I had. And my homeowner's insurance was sky high. Okay, y'all, sky high. Shop around for homeowners insurance. You have to listen, y'all. And I'm like, the only reason why it alerted me, I wouldn't have been, I'm gonna be honest, I wouldn't have shopped around for homeowners insurance. It alerted me because my mortgage went up 200. So I'm like, oh, hold up now. Well, wait a minute. And I called the mortgage company, and I didn't realize that I needed an insurance broker, right? That's going to shop around all of the insurance, make sure you get a good deal, make sure that you're having enough coverage on the home. And I had to do all of that, do all of the paperwork. And I know it's like a headache, y'all. It's a headache, but I'm telling you, it's worth it. Make sure you are shopping around for your homeowner's insurance every year. Make sure you're getting the best rates, because being loyal to having the homeowner's insurance and the car insurance together does not mean that you're getting a good rate, because that's what I thought. I'm like, oh, I'm getting a good rate because it's bundled. They're giving me the bundle deal, and I didn't shop around. Mine's went up because my property taxes went up. I know. Yes, it's worth it. Now, I know, Trisha T, with the property tax, I know we can't control the property tax, and we can't control like the county tax, the city tax. We can't control any of that. But the only thing we really can control is like putting extra towards the escrow, or the homeowner's insurance. I know, because mine slightly goes up as well for the property tax and stuff like that. But the homeowner's insurance last year, the 200 increase, which it was trying to do, was strictly because of the homeowner's insurance increase. So I had to shop around, you guys, got an insurance broker, and my mortgage end up going down, I think like 150, because the insurance that I had, again, which I thought that I was being loyal to it because it's the car insurance, it actually ended up going down. And honestly, y'all, I was kind of pissed, okay, because 3 years I've been overpaying for the homeowner's insurance. Don't be like your girl. Don't do it. Don't do it, you guys. Don't be like your girl. Okay. So make sure, number one, the mortgage payments and a year analysis, make sure that you are shopping around for your homeowner's insurance so you can get the best deal. Don't automatically think that you're getting the best deal because your car insurance is bundled. Don't do that. So that's one of the things, that's one of the bills that sneak up. But I would say this year, you guys, my mortgage actually went down. Okay. That's right. Yeah. The mortgage payment went down, y'all. Guess how much it went down? My mortgage went down, y'all. It went down a whopping $15. Yo, my mortgage payment went down $15. And guess what? We celebrating all the small wins over here, okay? Because that $15. Hey, listen, Trisha T, I'm just glad it didn't go up, okay? And they sent your girl a refund check of a whopping, wait for it, y'all, a whopping $73. Okay. Listen, I'll take that $15. Exactly. Okay. When it's the highest bill of all the bills, I'm going to take that $15. Okay. I'm going to gladly take my $15 and my good $73 refund that y'all would have sent me. Okay. For the escrow. My mortgage payment went down $10. Oh, Miss Leslie. Yes. We're going to celebrate it for him. Yes, we're gonna celebrate all of these payments going down, y'all. Miss Leslie said her mortgage went down $10. Yes, the $10 and $15, we're gonna celebrate that. We can use it to do something, okay? Maybe a cup of coffee at Starbucks. Okay. I don't know how much Starbucks costs, but I'm pretty sure I can get a Starbucks coffee for $15, y'all. Okay. So this is what I want you guys to remember. Make sure that you are looking in this season. It's a blessing. Yes, it is. Okay. We got to count our blessings, y'all. Okay. So make sure that you are looking for that in the mail, your mortgage analysis. Make sure that you're reading it and understanding your county tax, your mortgage tax. And if you don't understand it, make sure that you call them. I feel like my mortgage company is they're really good at explaining. And also too, you guys, I meant to tell y'all, make sure that you look for any grants that's available for homeowners. I did file for a grant. I forgot the name of it. I'm in Philly, but it was a PA grant and I forgot the name. Oh, it's called Homestead. Make sure you guys are looking for grants because I did apply for like a homestead grant that is on the life of the loan. And it did help my mortgage go down as well. So make sure, and it was a really simple application, you guys. If you live in the home, you're not renting it out. It took me 5 minutes to do. They've been sending me this homestead grant since I've been here for 3 years. And again, these are some of the things that we are sleeping on, that if we just take some time out, it will help us in the long run, you guys. So if you're seeing any grant stuff, make sure you look in your city to see if they have anything for homeowners. Because again, we trying to save all our coins over here. So that's what I wanted to tell you guys. So make sure you do that. Make sure whatever city you're at, let me write that down. Yes, it's called Homestead. And it was very simple. I think it's a PA grant for homeowners. And it took me all but a 5 minutes to do it, y'all. And they've been sending me this for 3 years. I'm like, I'm gonna fill it out. I'm gonna do it. And realize it help your girl mortgage go down. Okay. Well, I should have been did it. I should have been 3 years. So again, if you guys are seeing any information, that come in the mail, or do your research, okay, for whatever state that you live in, they got a lot of grants out there that we probably don't even know about. But make sure that you check it out. And again, I only had to fill this application out one time, and it's on the life of the loan. So I was like, thank you, Jesus. Okay. So, all right. So the mortgage analysis, that's bill number 1. Okay. So is that free money? Yes, Rose. Grants. When you hear the word grant, that's free money, friend. We don't have to pay anytime you hear grant, it's free. We don't got to pay it back. So that's the key. Yes, it is free money. I don't care if it's $5. Okay. We don't got to pay it back, and you willing to give it to me? Oh, yes. We want to take grants all day, every day, you guys. So it is free money, and it's not nothing that we have to pay back. Yes. So it is probably dependent on the state. Yes. So it's a great question. Rose, great question. So bill number 2, you guys, let's talk about bill number 2. And I know you guys probably know about this bill. Annual subscriptions, auto renewals. Who is ready for it? Because it's coming. That thing that you signed up for, that annual renewal, it may be coming out in January. So let's prepare our budgets. Those, the memberships You know, I know I've done like you know, your girl do Instacart, y'all. I mean, I get my groceries delivered. Don't judge me, okay? I be getting my groceries delivered, and I think Instacart I paid like a yearly subscription, and I think it's due in January. So when you see that big annual thing of like $100 and some dollars, yeah, that can wreck your budget real quick. Okay. So make sure you look back at your annual subscriptions. What did you sign up for that maybe comes out once a year? January is usually the month where they're going to take that big lump sum that you be like, oh my God, I had $200 in my account. And I'm like, where did the money go? So that's why it's so important, you guys. Make sure that you are checking your annual subscriptions. Okay. The gym membership, whatever that you may be paying on an annual basis, January, it's coming for that budget in January, you guys. So make sure, and it's also good to have which I have a free resource, you guys, an annual subscription tracker where you list out all your subscriptions and whether you use it annually or monthly. These are things that we want to think about. So if you're always interested, you know, I can send you my free annual tracker. Let me know in the comments. Put tracker in the comments if you are interested in the tracker, you guys. So that's bill number 2. That's bill number 2. Now this second, well, the third one, I feel like we kind of would no, the third one is a really good one, y'all. And this is so true. I just had to cancel Uber Eats. They got me. Forgot to cancel free trial. Oh, yes, friend. Listen, they quick to get you. Listen, and then you be like, listen, they be like, oh yeah, we'll give you this price for 7 days, or we'll give you this for this. And yes, they quick to get y'all. Listen, yes, that's why the subscriptions, man, we definitely got to be careful of it. And it's so easy, y'all. It's really so easy to do it. This next one is so important. Hold on, y'all. I'm sitting up there. I'm sorry, y'all. Texting my son because I got food in the oven. I got food in the oven, y'all, and I'm making sure that the food don't burn. Okay, we got to make sure the food don't burn. Okay, so bill number 3. Bill number 3, y'all. It was 3 months, and that's how they got me. Oh, it's 3 months, Trisha. That's how they got you. Oh, it was 3 months. That's how they got you. Yeah, that's how they be getting you, y'all. That's how they be getting you. Yep. So let me know, where are we at? Are we at 16K, you guys? If we could tap out the live and share it out. I forgot to put it in my calendar. I know it's so easy to do that. It's so easy, you guys. Let me know if you're getting value in this room from this live. If you can grab your daily heart me, share it out. I forgot to put in my calendar. Remind me to cancel. I know that's so true. So true, you guys. So true, you guys. But again, make sure if you guys are tapping out the live, if you are sharing it out, it's greatly appreciated. If you can help me out with my goals, some of the tiny dinings, if you want to help out, if you are getting value in this room, I truly appreciate all of you guys for being here. You could be in any other room, okay? But again, if you're finding value, Bree, welcome in. If you guys didn't get your daily heart me, make sure you get your daily heart me to become a part of the tribe over here, you know, the community that we are building. Thank you so much for the shares. Truly appreciate it. And I know some people are watching, listening in the background. Welcome in. People that maybe are watching on the outside, like, what is she talking about? Like, what is she talking about? I'm talking about 5 sneaky bills. Okay, we talked about 2 so far. Okay, the mortgage analysis for people that own a home. You know, again, the rates will change depending on your state and all that stuff. And then number 2, what did we say? Those subscriptions, you guys, those subscriptions, those annual subscriptions that you forget about. and then all of a sudden it just wrecks your budget in January because you don't remember it. Okay. And again, for all the new people, Nick, welcome in, friend. Welcome in. Truly appreciate it. For all the new people that are here, I see some people that may just be watching. I am a financial coach. My name is Janine. I talk about all things personal finances with God in the center. So I work on, my clients, I work on budgets, saving money, getting out debt strategies, all of the things. So if you are ever interested in doing a one-on-one, or you're just trying to figure out, thank you so much for grabbing your daily heart meet. If you just want a little bit more help when it comes down to your personal finances, if you want somebody to walk you through it, you always can, go up and schedule, pronounce Shaban. You always can go. Blessings. Oh, for the kingdom. Hey, friend. Welcome in. Welcome in. You always can go in the bio and click on a discovery call, and we can, hop on and we can talk about your budget. So again, thank you so much for being here, you guys. So we talked about two things, okay? Two of the bills that, thank you so much for sharing out the live. Two of the bills that can be sneaky when it comes down to January and our budget. So bill number 3, you guys, that I want you guys to think about. Bill number 3 is the medical and the healthcare deductibles. Whoa. Okay. Put it in the chat. If you guys just did your insurance, this is the time where open enrollment for most jobs, for healthcare, most of the time is, open enrollment. Around this time, you're choosing your medical, and usually this is the time where your medical usually increases. I know for most jobs. Adrian, welcome in, welcome in. I know most of the time it's not going down, y'all, and it's usually effective, and it will be showing up in our January paychecks, okay? So these is one of the things, and every year it goes up. Exactly, y'all. Every year it goes up, y'all, okay? So we want Dr. Trish, welcome in, my friend, welcome in. So these is one of the things. Thank you so much for grabbing your daily heart meet. These are one of the bills, you guys, that I want you to think about. Medical and healthcare deductible. I don't get it. So, I don't get it. I know. It's just like, I just feel like it's just a rising cost of just like, it's almost like the cost of living. Oh, thank you so much, Nick, for being the title gifter of the cowboy hats, friend. Thank you so much. I feel like I'm a cowgirl when I see the hats. But yes, y'all, I want you guys to think about it. Me and these medical and healthcare. Thank you so much for the tiny tinies, the Christmas tinies, Dr. Trish. Thank you so much, friend. Welcome in, welcome in. Again, thank you so much. New year, new deductible, you guys. That's how it goes. What was affordable in December may cost more in January. Okay, the deductibles. So again, it is so important for you to understand what plans that you are choosing for your health care and what the deductibles are. I'm stuttering on my words, y'all. What the deductibles are is so important, because we need to make sure that we are putting money aside for the deductibles, right? So your deductible is the amount of money that you are going to pay, and then the insurance will cover the rest. So they want you to pay the deductible first. That's like the maximum cost that you'll pay for, like your healthcare services, and then the insurance will, pay the rest. So it just really depends on the plan. It really depends on oh, thank you so much for being a title gifter of the money gun. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dr. Trish. Y'all lighting up the gift gallery on Reset Mondays. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much. Alba, welcome in, friend. Welcome in. Thank you so much for grabbing your daily heart meet. Are you new to my room? I think you're new to my room. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. So yeah, y'all, when we talk about deductibles, right? Again, this is the amount of my hello. Welcome in, friend. Welcome in. Again, so this is the amount. And again, it depends on everybody's insurance. It depends on, sometimes you have the insurance where the insurance will pay 80% and then you're paying 20%. I never been able to catch you. Oh, you never been able to catch me. Oh, I'm so glad you're here. Thank you so much. We're talking about 5 sneaky bills that comes up for us in January. that usually busts our January budget. Worship Wave, welcome in, welcome in. Truly appreciate it. So we're talking about the budget. So hopefully you get your pen and paper. Thank you so much for grabbing your Daily Heart Me and you writing down some of the things. So we're talking about bill number 3, medical and healthcare deductibles. Good evening, welcome in. That will probably show up in January for you. You know, we want to make sure that we're preparing our budgets for January. And again, like I said, you guys, it really depends on your insurance. You have to make sure that you're understanding the deductible. And again, this is the healthcare cost when it comes down to, oh, thank you so much for being the title gifter of the corgis. I love it. Thank you so much for him. Truly appreciate it. So how can we prepare for those deductibles? Also, you guys, oh, thank you so much for I love you. Thank you so much for becoming a title gifter. Y'all lighten up the gallery. Thank you so much for all of my people coming in, lighting up your girls gallery. Truly appreciate y'all. Truly appreciate each and every one of you guys. You just don't understand. Truly appreciate it. But yeah, so again, you guys, one of the things that's also helpful is getting an HSA account, healthcare spending account. And usually, you know, you could put the amount of how much, you know, you want to put in that account. Maybe it's 1,500, maybe it's 500. They take a small, you know, they take an amount from your check, and then you can use it on co-pays. You can use it on deductibles. So let's say you have a high deductible plan because you know, you don't go to the doctors often, then you can use the HSA. You could put 1,500 on there. So if you get any co-pays, if you have to go to the ER, you could just use your HSA card, but you need to make sure that you understand you need your receipts for that. And I feel like this could be a whole nother live I could just do on HSA. So again, I want you guys to remember about your medical and your healthcare deductibles. Make sure you're understanding it. If you ever need help looking at all that, I've been in healthcare for a long time, been in, you know, medical and insurance world, and understand the deductible. So you always can message me what plan maybe, you know, best, you know, trying to pick the plan, trying to understand what's best and trying to prepare for it. So that's number 3, the medical and healthcare deductible resets, you guys. That's the bill number 3 that could be very sneaky that come up. Okay. Number 4, this is so true. And I feel like we talked about this a little bit like in the beginning, but I want you guys to remember insurance premiums. So we talked about the mortgage analysis that comes up for all my homeowners homeowners, but the insurance premiums, put it in the chat, y'all. I don't know about y'all, but my thank you so much for the follow. My car insurance just went up like $100. And I'm like, yeah, I had to adjust my numbers in my budget. Insurance premium, you guys, look for increases. And I want you guys to pay attention to increases in your auto, your home insurance, your renter's insurance. Many policies reset or increase in January. So make sure that you guys have an insurance broker, because I'm looking at that. I'm like, oh, I'm about to change my car insurance because I don't know why it went up. It went up $100 and I don't understand why. So again, these are insurance premium increases in January usually, and this is another bill that can sneak up on you on your January. But put it in the chat, you guys. The average that you guys are paying for your not your homeowners, your car insurance. How much is your car insurance? Did I say yeah, car insurance? Put it in the chat. How much are y'all paying for your car insurance? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know so we can get this chat moving, you guys. How much you paying for your car insurance? I pay a $257. Ooh, is that how many cars is on there? $257. Let me know. Cause I was about to say two. 189. Adrian, welcome in from 189. How many cars are on here? Is that one car, Adrian? Let me know. Worship Wave 257, friend. I feel like, is that high or is that average? I feel like it's a little high. 2 cars. And it probably depends on where you're living at too, y'all. So I probably need to take that into account. Do you feel like that's high, friend? Because I need some new car insurance. It's high to me. That's what I figured, Russia Wave. I'm like, wait a minute. I feel like 257 is a little high for 2 cars. So this is one of the things that I said, getting an insurance broker is so important. Yes. One, but I have pay per drive program. Adrian, pay per drive. What is that? 97 senior citizen discount, 297. Trisha T, how many cars are on there? Christina, welcome in, welcome in. Oh, Miss Leslie, I wish mine was 97. Okay. Oh, I love that. And 3 cars, 297 for 3 cars. I guess that's not bad because it's almost like maybe $100 per car. So yeah, no, that's really good. Because I'm about to say, Worship Wave, you say you paying 257 for 2 cars. So I would definitely look into that, friend. 297, I feel like that's pretty good. Adrian, you said yours was 186, but you pay per drive program. What is that? You see how your agent look. Oh well, yeah, definitely. Who's what you say, Worship Wave? Let me say who's. Oh, what I was saying, Trisha T's hers is wonderful getting the senior citizen benefits. Yes, I'm gonna be like, your girl's a senior citizen. Like, no, I'm gonna say that. But thank you so much for liking out the live, you guys. Yes, that is wonderful. Well, senior citizen, I'm paying. How much am I paying, y'all? Yeah, I was paying. How much did it go up to? 190. Yes, 190 for 1 car. I was paying 75. So I'm trying to figure out why I went up. I was paying, 75 a month, y'all. And it went up to 190. So I'm like, yeah, why? And it's 1 car. And yeah, so I'm definitely looking for insurance. I'm like, yeah, there's no way. Wow, that's a lot. Exactly. I'm like, and I live in the suburbs, y'all. So I'm like, and I work from home. So the barely drive. I'm like, yeah. So yeah, I was paying 75. So I don't know why I went up this high. I really don't know why. But I was like, I'm shopping around. I'm not loyal to no companies. If y'all, one of the things I've learned, you guys, being loyal to these car insurance company means nothing. I think I was with Progressive for years thinking I'm getting a good discount. That means nothing. Don't be loyal to these companies where you feel like you've been with them, you getting the best rates. It's not true, y'all. Make sure you shop around, get an insurance broker, take some time. And I know it's like, dag, another thing. Allstate is called Allstate, and it's called Safe Driver. USA is called a Safe Driver, and State Farm is called Drive Safe. Oh, is Adrian, is that where you like plug the device into the car? I've been with State Farm since college. Oh, now just you say, like, listen, let me tell y'all, when you tell them that you shopping around for different insurance, they monitor your driving by your cell phone. So Adrian, I had something like that where it plugged into my car and it monitored me doing like hard brakes and whether I drove after a certain time, like after, I don't know, like 10 o'clock p.m. and it drove, like it did all the like the analysis on my driving for like 3 months, and then the discount could have been like up to like 20%. So I did do that. So I think it's something similar to that program, and it did help my insurance go down. So I do recommend you guys do also look into like the Safe Driver program or the device that they send you. Yes, but now it's through your phone. Oh, now it's through your phone. That's nice. Now it's through your phone. Okay, so that's good. I guess it's the same way that they can feel like if you do hard brakes through your phone. I'm wondering how they would be able to do that, like to track that. But if it's through your phone, then that's good. But yeah, those programs are really good. It kind of do make you pay attention to when you're driving. Because I remember when I had that little device in my car, y'all, I was like, oh, let me not push the brakes so hard, because it would have, it would send this analysis and it would tell you. Or if I was like having to drive really late, I assume through the app. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, through the app. But I'm guessing through the phone. I mean, if the phone shake a little bit, you could just shake it, and it will it like charge it through? Will it make it seem like it's a hard brick? That's the kind of thing I'm thinking. Like, how can it, how can it see if you shook the phone or like? But then again, they can tell if you text, use hand-free and handheld calls. Oh, Ooh, y'all. So they making sure you're not texting or driving. Okay. Wow. Yes. Listen, this 2026, we can't be surprised. We got AI out here. So I'm not even surprised how they could just be able to detect all of that, y'all. So again, I feel like they track how late you drive and how far. Yes. That's what they're. I remember, yeah. So I was really like aware, like, oh, I can't go out at a certain time. Not that I'm going out late anyway, but if I went out with my girlfriends, I was like, oh, I got to be back by a certain time. Look, that app puts you on a curfew. Okay. It puts you on a curfew, y'all. But I feel like you got to track that for like 3 months. I know the one that I did, I had to track it for like 3 months. And then, the discount. It sure does. Yes, it puts you on a curfew, Adrian. Like, wait a minute. Let me, because I think the discount is like 20%, you guys, or it may, it's a good amount of discount. So it's worth it. So definitely look into those programs. But then also, if you don't have an insurance broker, y'all look for it, because these insurance premiums, and listen, just being in the insurance world, being on the billing side of healthcare and all that, listen, these insurances, they find any reason not to pay for something, they not going to pay for it. Okay. So don't be loyal to these companies. Listen, make sure you shop around. And I was about to say, sometimes when you call your insurance company and be like, am I getting the best rate? I'm about to switch over. Then all of a sudden they find some discounts for y'all. So make sure you do that too, y'all. Make sure you're checking it out and saying, you know what? I think that I found a good rate in another company. Like, well, wait a minute. We just want to make sure. I think that we have a special program. Oh, now all of a sudden y'all got a special program for me. What? Okay. All of a sudden, y'all, I know I'm about to shop for life insurance. I have everything with State Farm. Oh, and I know, and you know what, Trisha T, I was the same way. It's just like so convenient, right? I had my car insurance with it, my homeowner's insurance. You feel like you're just getting, it's just so easy. But just because you have everything with them doesn't necessarily mean you're getting the best discount or you're getting the best price. That's all I'm saying. So just shop around a little bit. I know it's like a headache when you're doing 1,000 other things. You're a mom, you're a wife, you're trying to do work. It's like, oh my God, now I got to call insurance. Now I got to do this. I know. But I promise you, if it allows your mortgage to go down, if it allows your car insurance to go down, it is worth it, y'all. It is worth it. I know it's another headache though. I ain't even gonna lie, because I was like, I don't feel like doing this. I have 1,000 other things I need to be doing. But it definitely is worth it in the end. It definitely is, you guys. It's definitely worth it. So let's see. What is the this one is very good. Again, I feel like it's a lot of like mortgage or related stuff. Bill number 4, which I feel like mine has been, they played me friend with my life insurance. Did they? Listen, I'm doing a life insurance live, you guys. My gosh. I'm just going to briefly talk about life insurance really quick. If you guys, everybody that is listening on the sound of my voice, if you guys do not have life insurance, you need to get it. And I'm not talking about life insurance through your job. It's not enough. I just want to say that. I'm just going to start with there. It's getting more expensive. The older I got, so wrong. The older I get, so wrong for that. Yes, that is. But Trisha T, my question is your life insurance whole or is it term? That's what my first question is. Is it whole or is it term? And then term, yes, my friend. Great. Okay, okay, let's say term. That's right. Good. And then my question is it in an outside company not connected to your job? Put that in the chat. I wasn't as knowledgeable when I got it. Oh, boy, you picked a good one. One of the things in the financial world, when it talks about term and whole life insurance, State Farm. Okay, good. And one of the things that's like briefly I could say in reference to life insurance, you guys, you want to make sure that it's 10 times your income. 10 times your income. If you were to pass away, you need it to be 10 times your income. Because again, if your husband or your children are dependent on your income, it needs to be 10 times your income. So your policies need to be like high, not like, 50,000, like, no. And a lot of people are underinsured when it comes down to insurance. And it's just like a whole nother thing. But yeah, make sure that it's 10 times your income, friend. That's what I would say. Make sure that it's term life insurance. So if you do not have life insurance and you just like, what, girl? Like, what are you talking about? Like, if you just getting the life insurance of 25,000 or the 50,000 that's at your job, it's not enough. I'm just gonna start there and just say it's not enough. And two difference between term and whole. Whole life insurance has like a what I want to say, like an investment piece bundled into it. These, you don't want to invest and do your life insurance together. It's a horrible product, and you guys could do your research when it comes down to it. And it's like a whole another live that I can do. I have an additional term with an independent company, having for through my job. I have no husband or dependent. Nice, Adrian. Okay, good. Say that again. Whole or term. Nice. So Adrian, that okay. So if you don't have any dependents or your husband, but you just have a simple a policy, then that would be great. That's great. See, welcome in, friend. Welcome in. Oh, Trisha T, I said in reference to term and whole. Whole is a financial product that has an investment piece where you can cash out. Keish, welcome in, friend. Where you can, so it's investment with the life insurance bundle, and it's not a good product. The investment piece of it, you would be better investing your money into the stock market or into like the S&P 500, getting 10% return. Like, you pay so much, you'll pay a higher deductible getting the whole term, getting whole life insurance, and then the cash value, because again, it's an investment piece connected to the life insurance, and they got a cash value, but you have to pay thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars before then the cash value is not even equal to it. But again, I want you guys to do your research. You're like, oh, you need do your research, but I'm going to do a whole nother live on the best term life insurance. So you don't recommend whole life for kids? No, I don't. And again, that's why I'm like, I don't, because there's a better product to do that for the kids. And then my question would be, what are you using the investment piece for the kids for? So if it was like the kids' college or something like that, then you better off getting like a 529. You better off getting a way better product than that, than using the whole life insurance for it. Because I've seen it so much. Like, I feel like in the financial world and the gurus, it's just like you better off investing it in just safer stocks, and your percentage of your return is going to be higher at 10% the market value, rather than investing in term. They're not getting 10%. Wait, you said 529? Yes, 529 is for the kids, just for like their college, if you're putting money aside. So that's why I'm like, like, again, I know I'm trying to say like some high level financial stuff, and that's why I said I ain't mean to confuse you guys. But it's just like when it comes down to the life insurance and the term, and it's just like it could just be a whole nother live, y'all. And I don't mean to confuse you, but yeah, 529, if you're saving for kids, that's just a better account to do that, rather than you investing that money into like the whole life insurance and trying to cash it out later. The rate of return on that is horrible. It's horrible. Okay, thank you. That's what my son asked for. Okay. Okay, thank you. That's what my son asked for Christmas, a trust or a college fund. Yes. So if it's a college fund, definitely. And a good thing about it with the 529s is that like if he doesn't use it for college, you can roll it over, you can put it in a different investment account. So it's a certain percentage. So sometimes, parents will save and put it in a 529. It is a college account, so they have to use it for that. But you can roll it over and turn it into an investment one. So that's good. But yeah, but again, make sure you guys do your research. But I'm like, it's like, I feel like it's a touchy subject when it comes down to certain things in the the finance world. Nice, thank you. You welcome, Alba. You are welcome. Yeah, you guys, and I know people are like, what? Like, it's like, when it comes down to Trisha T, you level up, friend. You leveled up. Oh, the level 14. We're gonna put a sticker for you. We're gonna put a sticker. Thank you so much for leveling up. Yes, you guys. And again, I'm do a whole nother live. I got some workshops coming down the pipe, you guys, in January. Make sure you guys stick around. Can't wait for our call tomorrow. I know, Keish, Neva, Ken, Ivan. Welcome in, welcome in. Can't wait for our call tomorrow, either, you guys. And if you guys, be blessed, everyone. Yes, I signed up to be your super fan. Did you, friend? Really? I didn't see that. Wait a minute. You signed up to be my super fan. Thank you so much. When I get a notification, like, did you sign up in the live or something? Oh wait, did you sign up in the live? Wouldn't it notify me? I feel like it would notify me to see. Wait a minute. I have the books in your shop, Adrian. I have the books in your shop. What are your thoughts? It said it. Just scroll up. Wait a minute. Adrian, wait 1 second, friend. No, it didn't say it. Wait. Oh, you got a new super fan? Oh, oh my God. Trisha T became a super fan. Oh, I'm sorry. I missed it, friend. I hate missing stuff like that. Thank you so much for becoming a super fan, y'all. Oh, it said scroll up. I'm so sorry. I totally missed that, you guys. Oh, thank you, Sig. Thank you so much for becoming a super fan. You guys, if you're interested in become a super fan, you're like, what is a super fan? Listen, a couple things, you guys. The super fan, like, I can have chats, outside of this, where it just be me and my super fans, and you give me so much value, it's worth it. Oh, thank you so much, friend. Thank you so much. So if you're interested in becoming a super fan, you better get on, a ROI, y'all. ROI, return on your investment. Right now, the super fans are $4.99. Let me pin it, y'all. And if you are interested in becoming a super fan, okay, I want you guys to think about it. If you've been getting value in this room so much, let me see. Become a super fan. Now, how do I pin it? Pin. Okay, manage. Okay. Did I pin it? No, I didn't pin it, y'all. What am I doing? But no, if you guys are getting value in this room, I really want you to think about it. Why it's on sale. It's on sale to December 18th. How do I pin it? Become a super fan. Okay, create. No, let me go back. See, you guys, I'm sorry. I'm just like so excited. Okay, set. Okay, yeah, let me do that. And then set. Okay. All right. And then how do I do it? All right. Now, how come it's not pinned? Oh, gosh. Oh, Keish, you just became a super fan, friend. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much for being a super fan. We got 2 so far. Oh, so excited, you guys. So excited. So if you guys are thinking, but yes, ma'am, yes. So if you guys are interested in becoming a super, I don't know why it's not pinning, you guys, but it's on sale for $4.99, y'all. Okay, so we want to make sure we get that ROI. $4.99. You got access to your girl. But a couple things though. I feel like, giving the super fan benefits, we're gonna do some super fan chats, some super fan lives, okay? And then also, like, I know I come on here and I talk about certain things, but it's down below. Is it down below? Oh, and I can't see it. I don't know. I tried to pin it and I feel like I can't see it on my end. But if you guys see it, I wanted to pin it, but for some reason I feel like it wasn't pinning. But what I'm about to say to you guys? See, it's saying pin, and maybe there it go. Oh, look, there it go, y'all. So we have 2 super fans. So if you're ever interested in becoming a super fan before December 18th, y'all, when is December 18th? I feel like there's a couple of these, but it's $4.99, y'all. Y'all can't beat that. $4.99, $5. I feel like your girl's worth $5. No, I'm just kidding. No, I don't want to definitely put any pressure on anybody. But if you feel like that you're getting value in this room, think about becoming a super fan before December 18th. I think when it's over, because then I think it goes up to $9.99. It's there now. I know, yeah. TT has just been doing whatever it's doing. But a couple things that I am going to be doing January. to my super friends. So number one, we can have a chat outside of this. You always give valuable information. Oh, thank you so much, Keith. Thank you so much. I try to, y'all. And then not only that, I was thinking about like for the super fans as well, like for you guys to say, Janine, can you talk about this, or can you research this, or can you, because it's like I talk about things that I feel like you guys would be interested in and that you need. But then sometimes I feel like I want you guys feedback as well. Like, you know what? Can you talk about this again? Can you talk about, so the super fans will be able to kind of guide these lives a little bit, going into to January, some things that you're interested in, maybe, some things that I can, help you guys with to guide the live. Trucker Her, welcome in. Truck Her 2020, welcome in, welcome in. So you guys, think about it, $4.99, y'all. $4.99, TT is definitely promoting a lot. And then it's a lot of other benefits that are be coming out for the super fans. So if you guys are interested, again, make sure that you let me know. But I'm so excited too, super fans. Oh man, y'all just threw me all the way off, y'all. Thank you so much. Truly appreciate it. But again, these are some of the things I'm, to be rolling out in 2026. I try to, come on and educate you guys as much as I can, things that I'm learning. I feel like I'm gonna do a taxes live for my super fan, because I told people, I probably let you guys know before, I do taxes, but your girl does the basic. Okay. So some of the things that I want you guys to be thinking about in 2026 in February on, how, things that you need to be. Oh, thank you so much, Keish, for becoming for the greeting hearts, friend. Thank you so much. But these are some of the things that I want you guys to think about. I may do a live on just taxes. On Keish, you reach level 11, friend. Welcome in. I'm so excited. Level 11. That I want you guys to think about. Again, I do the simple taxes. Okay, so I can help you with just what to file. If again, if it's simple, y'all. Said your girl said simple. Okay, but just deductions, things that you need to be looking at when you your deductions when it comes down to your paychecks, how to read that, make sure that they're taking out the right amount. So these are just some of the things that we can work on, because before you know it, it's going to be taxes season. So definitely. So this is what I'm saying. Bill now. Okay, so let's go back to the topic, y'all. Let's so excited for my super fans. What's I about to say? Okay, so bill number 4, y'all. We on bill number 4. So we talked about we talked about the life insurance really quick. Yep. And we talked about the healthcare deductible. So bill number 4 that may be sneaky in reference to the January budget, you guys, is property related. I thought we were on 5. I thought we were on 4. Were we on 5? Oh no, let me say 1, 2, 3, 4. You're right. We on 5. Look, my brain just went. We are on 5. We on 5, y'all. Listen, we are definitely on 5. Okay, bill number 5, you guys. Property really 4 ways insurance premium. Yes. Yes. See, Trisha T, I need y'all to have me on point for sure. So bill number 5. Property related taxes. Now, again, I know I'm talking about the I have my notepad, girl. I love it. Now I know I'm talking about I talked about the property related taxes, but here's what I'm talking about in reference to this: the HOA, y'all. Who got a HOA? So some of you guys may know what a HOA is. HOA is a homeowners association, homeowners something. I don't know if the O is said. Not me. Ooh, Trisha T, you are lucky. Put in the chat, you guys, if you have a HOA. Your girl got a HOA. Okay. Me, Adrian. Okay, friend. Okay, so we listen. And again, these and then if you don't have an HOA or if you don't have a home, these are some not me. Oh, y'all lucky. Then this is what some of the things that I want you guys to think about. Like if you don't have a home and you are interested in getting a home, these are some of the fees that I want you to think about, because HOA is real. Okay. So not on side of my mortgage, right? Like my mortgage covers the escrow, it covers the payment, the taxes. I have a HOA bill that I pay on the side. Okay. And yes, HOA goes up usually every year. But I will say though, I live in a good HOA. So what's the benefits of the HOA? I can say for mine, you guys, my HOA does like the outside of the house, like the grass, it mows the grass, it does the snow removal. I think HOA also helps with like the trash and all that stuff. So this is the benefits of having an HOA, but it really depends on where you live. Like if you live in like a gated community or a certain type of community, HOA is just like required. It ain't really like a choice. So I do pay HOA. It is not included into my mortgage payment, and I pay my HOA quarterly. But I actually switched and started paying it monthly. So I'm like, yeah, instead of me paying it quarterly, I pay it monthly. So HOA is one of the things that I want you guys to think about that usually goes up. I will say though, my HOA is very, very good. They usually send you a receipt of like all of the costs of like, the snow removal, the grass, all of the things that they did. And then they'll, write that through. Me Too grass, tree trimming, plus pool, lake, playground, clubhouse. I pay monthly too. Woo, Adrian, you got all of the perks, friend. Okay, let's just celebrate you right there, friend. You got all of the perks. Okay, mine just got the grass, the trimming. You said the pool, the lake house, the playground, the clubhouse. Your girl don't got all of that. We don't got no pools over here. Okay, I wish we did. Where you live, ma'am, exactly? Keisha. Look, I didn't want to ask that. I didn't want to put business out there, but I was like, listen, we don't got no pools over here, or the tree house, the clubhouse, or none of that. We just got the grass and the snow removal, y'all. That's all we got over here. We don't got no pools, but again, yes, but these are some of the things that the HOA does help with. It really depends on the community that you're in, but yes, HOA can cover all of that. LOAG, Georgia. I live in an older community and our neighbors help each other. Oh, I love that, Miss Leslie. I love that. Yes, 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 yes. My mom actually is moving into a 55 and older community, and they have a HOA too, and they do have like a clubhouse and all that. I don't think they have the pool, but they definitely have like the clubhouse and stuff like that. So it's definitely perks to the HOA. And one of the things that I want you guys to think about, like if you are in the home buyer process, you have to incorporate HOA fees, and it does go up. But like I said, my HOA is really good. I've been here for 3 years and my HOA has not went up. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus, y'all. I'm like, whoa, thank you, Lord. Okay. It hasn't went up in 3 years. They're really good with it. Now I'm prepared for it to go up, but it hasn't. And I usually pay my HOA. How much do I pay a month? I think I pay, amen. Yes, Keish. I think I pay 150. I pay 150 every month. Yes, it does. Yes. Yep, 150 every month, y'all. That's what I pay for. Girl, I avoided HOA like a plague. I was hunting. Yes, yes, yes. Like the HOA, and again, people don't think about it because you think about, oh, like the mortgage payment, and you thinking like, oh, it's all included. It ain't. So I had to do that in my budget, y'all. I was like, when I got this house, this thing stretched your girl so much. I was like, Lord help me. Okay, Lord. I was like, whoo, I got to pay what? And I got to do what? And you telling me I got to pay this high behind mortgage and the HOA? Wait a minute. I have two, and it totals 55 per month. Nice. You lived in newer home, and I've been living in my house for over 25 years. Welcome in, welcome in. Yeah, I know. That's why I said, it come with the perks though. It's like, catch 22. And this is kind of one of the things that I looked at when I got the home. I'm like, okay, I need to pay HOA and the mortgage, and looking at all that. What is the budget, say? Like, can I do it? Can I but I will say though, like, when you decide, to get, the home and the perks, and it does keep, the value of the house. I will say I've been in my house for 3 years, you guys. And I would say the value of my house has went up. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like 200,000. So if I was to sell my house right now, I could walk away with 200. So it does benefit you. Wow, yes. But Keish, my house is new though. So mine's too, yes. So that's why, you know what I mean? Because they have built newer houses and stuff like that. So every time they build in my community, the value of the houses just go up. So, people that has been here, like prime example, I've been here for 3 years, but the people that just got their house built like last year paid double than the one that I paid. And mine's is an older house. Oh, yours is an older, yeah. So yeah, you said you avoided it like a plague. Listen, and again, like I said, you guys, HOA has its benefits, but then I will say I ain't gonna lie. Now here's the bad part. Your girl always keep it real and honest with you guys. Oh, gee, welcome in, friend, welcome in. The HOA, listen, they it depending on which HOA y'all have, like they try to control a lot. Like I have a Facebook group with the HOA, you guys, and when I tell y'all, these people be watching every single thing. If your dog poops somewhere, they be sitting up there looking at the cameras. Oh, you got your dog pooped and that. So sometimes these HOA can be like controlling, and it's just like a whole nother different. I'm like, these people, y'all need to get a life. Okay, so sometimes people, I'm not gonna lie, I know people in this community that has moved out because they didn't like the HOA or they didn't like the neighbors. Some people have worser HOA menace. Yes, okay. They be trying to, do. I think one time, you guys, I had like a party outside in the back. The value, the value does go up on the house in my development, have the triple the value we also have in the neighborhood. Yes, the value does go up. But again, like sometimes, again, some of these HOAs can get really like just nitty gritty and they just want to pick. We have a neighborhood association. Nice. You have a neighborhood association. I like that. But again, I feel like you got to do your research and reference to the HOAs, to the newer builds and stuff like that. Because I remember one time I had a party outside, and I think I had like a mat, but it was like rolled up in the back of my house. And the HOA emailed me like, you need to remove the mat from the back of your house. I'm like, what? Like last time I checked, I'm the homeowner. Last time I checked, I pay all the bills in these houses. You asked me to remove, but again, maybe some neighbor. I'm just like, it's the craziest stuff. Exactly. Right? The craziest stuff, you guys. So it's like sometimes, again, my HOA is not that bad, but some of them can be. No, exactly. Nosy. They don't got nothing to do, And when it comes down to this, you guys, I feel like they like, oh, we watching her with us. So you know what I mean? So it's just like, yep, it. Because y'all, I'm like one of a million up here. Okay. They probably look twice when they see me. They like, what? They probably double check. Like, did she rob a bank to get up here? Like, I'm just trying to tell y'all what I've experienced. I could tell y'all the stories. People are like, you live where? What's your address? Like looking like, I can't believe you live in that. Like this person can't afford something like that. Oh, are you shocked? I'm just saying, y'all. I'm just saying. But these are some of the things that will come with. But I feel like for the most part, overall, that's exactly. That's crazy. It's quiche. I'm telling you, it's definitely things. I hear you, girl. I hear you, girl. The call a cop. I hear you. The call a cop on for my son's birthday party 2 years ago. Did they? They call the cops on you. They call the cops. Yes, I'm reading. 2 years ago. Listen, I remember one time, you guys. They said my son, right, my 20-year-old, he has like this, like I don't know, like how like them engine cars or whatever, and it's like or whatever. He like did that, and they put in a Facebook group. Please tell your kids or the people that rev their car that don't do that loud. I'm like, y'all got to be kidding. I'm telling you, y'all. I'd be like, whatever. I'll just be sitting up there saying, y'all, don't bring the Philly girl out on me, okay? I'm just trying to let y'all know. I may be up in the suburbs, but I come from Philly. So we not gonna play for the loud music in the mid-afternoon. Exactly. And I think when my son did it, it was like the mid of the day too. I said, here we go with the shenanigans, y'all. You know, we gotta love them with grace. You know, we gotta kill them with kindness and be like, okay, sure. I just be ignoring them. When the cops came, they said, you must be kidding me. Enjoy your party. You have until 10 p.m. Oh my God, Trisha T. I would have been like, oh my gosh. And again, y'all, this is some of the things. It's like, yes, I wish they would. Philly, I'm like, man. But again, you know, you got to deal with some of this stuff in some of these neighborhoods, y'all. Unfortunately, unfortunately, sometimes we have to deal with that. But I feel like for the most part, yeah, that's just so crazy. That's so crazy. Cause I'm like, you know, me living in the city, man. The call, like, I wish Philly cops would come in here and be like, your music is too loud. They would be like, you wasting my time. I'm not coming for no call. Talk about some music is too loud. Not in a city that has high crime and there are other things that they could be doing. So yeah. But again, you guys, I don't want to go on my little soapbox on this, but yeah. So this is one of the things, you guys, I want you to think about when it comes down to property taxes or HOA or any type of fees. Again, this is one of the things that, you know, all of these bills, right? For the medical, for the property tax, for the homeowner's insurance, one of the things that I want you guys to think about is sinking funds. And this is when we put small amounts of money aside for things that we know is going to increase. So we can have a sinking funds for mortgage analysis, right? For when your escrow goes up every year. And again, you could just be socking away some money for, so then that way we will be prepared for. 2, have a sinking funds for your subscriptions, for your annual subscriptions when you know it's coming out each and every month, you guys. 3, for your insurance premium. Just put insurance premiums on there and put some money aside each and every time the year. The deductibles. I know I have a sinking funds for medical. That's definitely in there for me. And then I feel like I am going to put one for HOA or property tax. And again, you guys, we know that this is coming up. We know that you may not know the amount of how much is going to increase, but we definitely want to get ahead some way, you guys. We definitely want to get ahead. So putting a little money aside in 2026, just getting into the habit. Again, if you're putting $20 for each of these categories aside, and before you know it, it could be, you know, 500 in there, it doesn't, matter. But again, these are some of the things that would be great for sinking funds. Okay. And again, putting a little bit aside, just make sure you label it. You can just get some white envelopes, put a little cash in there every time you get paid, or you can set up a savings account. I feel like it's just so much easier, you guys, for us to save when it's cash, right? So if you can, and it's, your mind, just take the money out and just put it aside. I'm telling you right now, I know it's one of the savings challenges is like 100 envelope savings challenge. And when you have 100 envelopes, you guys, let me see if I can show you. I want to show you guys. This is like 100 envelope savings challenge that I have. All right, let me see if I can mirror my phone. Mirror it. Hold on. Let me see if I can mirror this so y'all guys can see it. How do you mirror? Let me see. There we go. Okay. Well, there we go. 100 envelope savings challenge. I had one of those. Yes. Oh, look, I'm about to move it back. But look, this is just another way. Like, let's just say that, and again, it has all of these stickers on here. You see, and I don't want to put it up too. But again, basically how this challenge goes, you guys. See where you can see, I started it, but I didn't finish it. But again, on each of the envelopes, I'm gonna mirror this back. On each of the envelopes, you just put the amount, like the envelopes that say, like if it say, there we go. I have one. Okay. If it say like $5 on here, if it says the number 5, then you put $5 on here. If it says 10, then you put $10 and et cetera, et cetera. So, but again, it's another way. And then when you finish this 100 envelope challenge, you'll have $5,000, $5,050. So again, this is just an easier way for us to save some money for our sinking funds, for bills that we know. Welcome in, Myra. Welcome in. Welcome in. And we know that it's coming, so it's not going to be wrecking our January budget, you guys. And it's like, what's the point of all of this, Janine? So we can prepare for January. We're not wrecking our budget. We're stepping into January, yes, I started but didn't finish it either, but I'm going to be more intentional. Yes, we're gonna get it together, friend. Hey, welcome in. Okay, welcome in, Adrian. Welcome in. Yes, we definitely are. And again, that's what we build in this community for, to definitely build accountability, because it's hard doing like the savings and paying off that. I had one of those books for you too, but you never use it. See, so see, y'all, maybe we could do like a savings challenge together, okay? Yes. And again, that's exactly why I'm creating this little community, because it's hard just doing it by yourself. Like, you're just not motivated, and it's just like, oh, I'm just going to do it. And again, that's why I say, listen, you grow the same way. I started it and didn't even finish it either. So, but it's just different when you have a community. Yes, we all need to do it together, friend. Yes. Okay. Yep. So my little super fans, I'm like, come on, y'all, always saving together. But it just makes it easier, and it just makes it funner. So it definitely, I said funner. That's a word. But it just definitely, makes it, easier for you to do it, especially when you have like-minded people where we're all trying to reach the same goal. We're all trying to save. We're all trying to get on our budgets. Maybe we're all trying to get out our debt. So yes, it's so better when you have a community of people. And that's one of the things that I was saying yesterday. When it comes down to your personal finances, when you walk in 2026, make sure that you are staying around like-minded people, you guys. Oh, thank you so much for coming in, Kay. Welcome in, welcome in. Thank you so much for grabbing your daily heartbeat. Hey, friend. Welcome in, friend. Welcome in. Truly appreciate you. Thank you so much for the fast pop, friend. Welcome in, welcome in. So we were just talking about, and you came at the right time, friend. But again, it's so important for you guys to think about, like, how we're going into 2026. What things can we do better? Like, how can we be committed? That's one of the things that we talked about last night, is what is one financial goal that you want to commit to in 2026, right? What are some of the things that you want to do differently when it comes down to your finances? But again, like I said, it's so important to make sure you stay around like-minded people. In the envelopes, do you save weekly or bi-weekly? I sent you a message about Mentor. Oh no, when did you send me a message, friend? Did you just send it? Wine, welcome in, friend. Welcome in. Friend, let me know when you sent the message. In the envelopes, Miss Leslie, the envelopes, you can save it however you want. However you want. Just now. Oh, okay. So when I get off, I'll be able to see the message. Okay, friend. Yep. I will definitely read it, and I will reach out to you. Thank you so much for sending me a message. Truly appreciate it. But we were talking about savings challenges. But Ms. Leslie, you can save as much as you want. Like, it's not like a bi-weekly thing or weekly thing. It's just whenever you get $10 or $20 or whatever, just put it in there. So it's not really it's not really no certain time that you have to do it. And it's really fun. You know what I mean? Like I said, I always tell people that, like, when you save cash, y'all, it's just so much easier, and you really will save more money. Like, when you take the money out of your account, put it in these envelopes. Yes, extra cash, just stash it. Yes, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie, you guys. I looked at my sinking funds that I put away, like, I don't know. Maybe throughout the year, like these couple months, I was just putting money away. I like looked at all of my little envelopes. It was like $1,000 in there, y'all. I was like, what? I was like, what? And again, y'all, I was just putting a little bit away, like the medical and the, car maintenance. And I'm just like, what? I was so surprised, y'all. I'm telling you, I was so surprised. And again, it was just me putting like $20 here, $10 here, $15, like nothing, no big amounts. Okay. I didn't put no big amounts. And I just was like, let me just count how much is in here. Like, let me just. So if you guys really want to, again, level up when it comes down to your finances and saving, when you save cash, y'all, I promise y'all, that's why I'm a cash budgeter. Okay. Cash, but every little adds, it totally does, y'all. I'm a cash budgeter, okay? And you're like, Janine, what's a cash budgeter? I literally take out cash when it comes down to my variable expenses, right? So I pay all my bills in my bills account, but when it comes down to my variable expenses, meaning my hair, my nails, my groceries, gas in my car, I literally take the money out of my account, put it in my little cash envelopes, and I use cash. And when I tell you guys, it has kept your girl on her budget. It has kept me like my eating out little budget. My sons would be like, Mom, how much is in the envelope? Because they know whatever the eating out budget is, when it's no more cash in there, it's no more cash. So and then sometimes I'll let the cash pile up, you guys. Yes, that's a great idea. I'm telling you, it's been a game changer, you guys. If you haven't watched my YT videos, y'all, go on the YT because I'll be doing my little cash stuffing on there, y'all. So I'll be like putting it in my little envelopes. Go in there and just go skim your girl's YT, okay? The link is in the bio. Oh, but I'll be doing my little cash stuff, and I haven't done one recently, which I need to get back to, y'all. I'm trying to put the videos on here. But if you just kind of want to see like what I do, the envelopes and stuff like that, go watch a video over there, y'all. I'll be cash stuff and put my little envelopes in there. I mean, putting the money in my little envelopes, calculating it. And I'm telling y'all, it has been a game changer for your girl. Okay. And again, like I said, you may have categories where it's like, oh, sometimes I kind of let the cash envelopes pile up a little bit. So it's like beauty. I put a certain amount aside for the beauty, and I kind of will let it get to $100 first, and then I'll spend. Or like the car gas. Thank you so much for the tiny Christmas. What do you look for again? What do you look for again in the video? Oh, what do I do? Oh, cash stuffing. Is that what you're asking, Ms. Leslie? Cash stuffing. That's what I do. I need to get back to it, but I'm telling you guys, it's a game changer when it comes down to your budget. But I'm saying if you go into the BIO, it's on my YT. Yes, cash stuffing. It's on my YT. I got a couple videos over there. I got a lot of lives because I'm co-streaming on there, but I got a lot of regular videos too. And you'll see me cash stuffing over there. So if you're like, what is that, or what does she do, or like what's my categories, I show you in the video. So it's really good. So make sure you guys go over there and check your girl out. I need to get back to it. Can you send it to me? My YT? Yeah, I'll send you. I'll send you the link. No problem. I definitely will send it to you. But I do like cash stuffing, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. It transformed my finance. Listen, I'm like, oh my gosh, I should have been doing this cash stuffing for sure. And you don't have to have a lot of categories, you guys. It could just be, again, I don't cash stuff every category. Some people, if you really search on the YT, y'all, people be cash stuffing their mortgages, like taking the money out. I don't do that. That's just a little too much for your girl. I'm not taking no mortgage money out. I'm not taking the bill money out, and then they'll cash stuff it and then they'll put it back in their account. No. That's a little bit too much. Your girl's not doing all that. I only cash stuff the variable expenses. So these are the expenses that change: the grocery amount, the nails, the miscellaneous, the car and my gas in my car, and nails, and then what else? Like miscellaneous. That's it. So I have like 6 or 7 categories, and again, I take it out and put it in the little envelopes, and then I use cash. So when I get Wawa gas or whatever the case may be, I just use cash. So, and again, like I said, it will prevent you from overspending. Mateo, welcome in, friend. Welcome in, and it will level up your finances, because you'll be like, oh, you know what I mean? And again, I feel like it's just fun, and again, like I said, you guys, when you spend cash, you'll think about it. Okay. When you in Target, because Target, they got your girl, in the chokehold. When you in that store, y'all, and you only got $30 cash to spend on maybe your beauty products or whatever it is, I'd be like, all right, let me see. All right, I can get this one, I can get that one, and then I gotta come back for that one. This was a good live. I got to run, but I definitely will be sending you a message. I have a few. Oh, sure. Thank you so much. See, when you become a super friend, you got access to your girl. Definitely. So, yep. Make sure you send me a message. Yep. Truly appreciate it. Oh, yeah. Y'all, it's late on the East Coast, y'all. It is late on, your girl be chatting. Okay. Y'all, it's late on the East Coast, y'all. Let me see. Ooh. I've been on here for a while. I know. Listen, y'all, I'll be trying to get the points and get it. And so you guys can have what you need, and then definitely so I won't be chattering the whole time. Yes, 28. Okay. So I'm gonna just do a recap, you guys, and then I'm gonna let you guys go. So again, the 5, I don't have car insurance, but I would like to get an affordable one. Okay, we definitely can talk about it, friend. You don't have a car, but yeah, because that's why I talked about insurance broker. definitely looking around and shopping for this car insurance. Thank you so much for grabbing your daily heart, me friend. Thank you so much. But yeah, we definitely can look into like the affordable car insurance places, shopping around and getting an insurance broker. Really enjoyed the live tonight. Very informational. Thank you so much, Ms. Leslie. I try to be dropping the gems as much as I can, and I definitely want to send you the notes from our call. I probably will send it out tomorrow in the morning. So definitely thank you so much for being here. You guys, I'm gonna do a recap of the 5. Is your January budget ready for these 5 sneaky? There's a sticker over there. 5 sneaky bills. So again, bill number 1 is your mortgage payments after year-end analysis, right? So your year-end analysis for your mortgage, that's bill number 1. Bill number 2, you guys, is your annual subscriptions and your auto renewals. So any type of memberships, any type of subscriptions that you do once a year. January will be usually the month where they take out that full premium. Bill number 3, insurance premiums, your auto, your homeowners, your renters. Many insurance policies reset and increase in January, you guys. Bill number 4, medical and healthcare deductible resets. So new year, new deductibles. So, you said saving. You said saving. That sounds good. Yes. Savings. You said saving. That sounds good. Yes. Savings. What about savings? Okay. Welcome in. And then bill number 5, property related costs, HOA dues, local taxes, maintenance, and adjustments. January is adjustment season for homeowners, fees, dues, and upkeep. So if you are a homeowner and you have HOA fees, which I have, make sure that you look out for that. Oh, savings to consider. Yes. That's good. Yes. Savings to consider. Yes. Absolutely, friend. Yep. Savings that you can definitely consider. And again, like I said, one of the things that we were talking about, I think before you came on the live, is I'm offering super fans. So super fans, if you go up to this orange heart right there, it's actually on sale for $4.99 a month. And a couple features that I would do, like for my super fans, is we want to do a savings challenge, but I would do it like for the whole community. But if you want more access to me, think about becoming a super fan. But you sent me a message, so we'll definitely talk about this offline for sure. So that was bill number 5, property related taxes, you guys. So, again, I hope this live blessed you guys. I hope you learned something. I hope you got some gems, you guys. Again, we want to make sure that our January budget is ready for these 5 sneaky bills, because again, we just want to prepare as much as we can. And also, friend, I know we were talking about sinking funds. This is another thing. So all of these bills that I mentioned, we can create sinking funds for that. Thank you. You can put his life and thank you. Put his life, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Okay. Thank you for this live. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm sorry, Keith. I'll be mistyping sometimes. Yep. I definitely will talk to you tomorrow. So excited. Yep. And you welcome for this live. Yep. You truly appreciate you for being here. So again, you guys, yes. So again, these are 5 of the I don't know what that was. 5 of the sneaky bills that I want you guys to think about for January, so it's not wrecking the January budget. And again, I hope this live bless you guys. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, again, I am a financial coach, so I am looking to I'm looking for maybe like 2 or 3 more clients. I know a lot of people have been messaging me, and your girl's book is starting to get filled up, you guys. Okay, just want to let you know. So if you are ever interested, again, you always can message me off of here. If you're like, what, maybe I want to become a super fan first and then think about the coaching, or if you just want to hop on a call, always go into the LINK and my BIO, you guys. And again, we can hop on a discovery call. We can talk about some things, look at your budget, do a budget audit, really think about how you want to transform your finances in 2026, you guys. So again, I always end my live in a short prayer, and I want to say, Father God, thank you for your wisdom and your clarity and your provision tonight. Oh God, help us steward what you have given us with peace and purpose. We release stress and receive strategy, oh God. In Jesus' name, I pray. I hope this live bless each and every one of you guys that's watching on the replay, that's watching on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. I truly appreciate everyone for being here. Thank you so much for liking out the live, the gifts. Sonia, welcome in for the follow. Truly appreciate you. I hope that you guys have a great evening. Happy Monday. So Tuesday, tomorrow, you guys, I think I'm going to do a pop-up one. And I think I was going to show my tree. So we will see. So I definitely am going to do a pop-up one tomorrow. So make sure you look out for your girl tomorrow. Happy Tuesday. Happy Monday. And I want you guys to remember, budget with faith and prosper with grace. I love you guys. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.